Once again, we are going to have one of the complicated solutions to make today, and this is benzoic acid solution. This is a compounding laboratory at Spring Institute of Business and Science, and your instructor is Sir Laidan Babu. Benzoic acid is a white solid organic compound whose structure consists of a benzene ring with carboxyl group. In this short video, we are going to look on how students struggle to make benzoic acid solution. Most students find it harder to bring about benzoic acid solution. This is because of techniques required to bring it forth. Most problems arise from its solubility. Now, before preparing benzoic acid solution, you should be aware of the following. 1. Benzoic acid poorly dissolves in water. It is easily stated as benzoic acid slightly dissolves in water. So what do you do to increase its solubility? You should know that it dissolves well in organic solvents such as alcohols, chloroform, ether, and benzene itself. Then reduce particle size to enhance its solubility. If possible, increase temperature to enhance its solubility also. That means it can be dissolved in boiling water. As I said before, it is soluble in benzene, carbon tetrachloride, acetone, alcohols, and other organic compounds. So, before your preparation, have your reference material on hand, have your apparatus, preferably your beakers, measuring cylinder, stirring rod, and the other apparatus. Have your ingredients. In this case, you shall have benzoic acid itself, propylene glycol, and purified water. Now, these students are being instructed on this trick, as you can see. The first step while preparing benzoic acid solution, you need to reduce the particle size in a mortar. You can see these students are reducing their particle size. After you have reduced the particle size in the mortar, then you weigh your required benzoic acid. In this case, because we are preparing 50 ml of benzoic acid solution, then 2.5 grams are required. To do that, you shall be required to have a weighing balance. After weighing, then measure propylene glycol. 7.5 ml are required. Now, in this preparation, propylene glycol is going to serve as a co-solvent as benzoic acid dissolves sparingly in water. So what propylene glycol will do is to increase solubility of benzoic acid in water. The fourth step is to measure water. Measure amount of purified water to use. Then put propylene in a beaker, then dissolve benzoic acid portion-wise in this solvent. Remember, benzoic acid is added portion-wise. Do not add the next portion if the previous has not fully dissolved. You can see these students are dissolving benzoic acid portion-wise. Put portion after portion, portion after portion. When it's done, shift to the measuring cylinder and add water portion-wise. So the same principle applies to water as you did to benzoic acid in propylene glycol. Then while adding water in this solution, it has to be added portion-wise. Now, if you don't put it portion-wise, your preparation will crystallize. When you are done with adding water, make up the final volume with the aid of the vehicle. In this case, this is water. A single mistake will lead to cracking and crystallization of your preparation. Mind each step. As an instructor, you need to be present and instruct your students with all provided instructions. So, benzoic acid is used as a preservative in food, drugs, and beverages. And sometimes it is used to treat different skin conditions, as it serves as an antifungal. Regarding the concentration, it can be used in several uses. Now these students are done with the preparation after struggling for a long time. If you intend to make this preparation, please follow each laid down procedure. Thank you. It was your instructor, Mr. Laidan. Let's meet in the next preparation. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment.